Hey, what's going on, guys? Greg Jenkins here from Monkeypod, and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you were at the Zapier Showcase webinar and you're looking for more examples of the way small business owners and Keap users are using Zapier in their business. But it's also entirely possible that you stumbled onto this video without being at the Zapier Showcase webinar, and that's fine as well. So just for context, if anyone missed it, the Zapier Showcase webinar was a live event we hosted with a panel of presenters, each sharing Zapier recipes that they depend on in their business. But we had a couple of people who weren't able to make it live as panelists who recorded a breakdown of the Zapier recipe that they use and that they wanted to share. And that's what this video is. It's one of those submissions that was recorded separately that I wanted to share in case it serves you as well. So let me set this up for you. The voice you're about to hear is my good friend PJ from the Her Business community down in New South Wales, Australia. And this is a super simple recipe that they use to populate a Slack channel within their business to keep kind of a pulse of all of the different actions that are happening that they want to keep tabs on, or that they just want to be notified of so that they can celebrate the progress that is happening for their leads, prospects, and customers. That's enough from me. Let's take a look.
Greg, you asked me to show you a way that we use Zapier. It is a super simple little hack, and hopefully it'll be useful to someone. We use Slack inside the company, and we like to see on a regular basis, minute by minute, hour by hour, how our lead magnets and how our registrations for various events are doing. So we have a channel in Slack called Registrations. And we use Keap, we use Infusionsoft and Keap. And so whenever someone is tagged as downloading a lead magnet or registering for an event, or attending an event, we take that tag and create a zap and send it to Slack. And you'll see that each of these little Slack messages has a different icon. And so these are today's message. This little heart is a free download that we offer. It just says that Jamie requested this free download. This little camping icon is for an upcoming event we're running, Breakthrough Growth Bootcamp. And so it says Iona has registered for the Breakthrough Growth Bootcamp. And most likely the comment here, I won't expand it, is that Iona has used lowercase and her name needs to be updated in Infusionsoft. And so that would be done. Then there's these tickets for our Her Business Live event. Coming up in August, and so it says Anna's registered for Her Business Live. And so that's sort of today's activity so far. You can see yesterday's activity, a lot of registrations for Her Business Live, and another event we ran called Conversations That Sell. Another download here, a waitlist person joining the waitlist, another lead magnet, someone buying an event box for Her Business Live. So you can see each activity has its own little icon that is unique to the activity. So it's a quick visual representation of what the person has done. And then the text following it basically gives us their name and tells us what they've done as well. And so in some instances, you know, if we've got a funnel happening, we might actually tag 3 aspects of the funnel: download the lead magnet, register for the webinar, buy the thing. And then we'll see in quick succession if that person did the 3 actions. And I know we can get this information, you know, as from notifications from Infusionsoft or on the dashboard or other mechanisms, but this is just a visual way of using Zapier and Slack combined with Infusionsoft to give us a sense of what's happening in the business and keep our finger on the pulse. Simple hack, simple use. Hopefully that's of use to someone, and that you'll get some benefit from it.
Okay guys, super simple recipe. Hopefully you found this one valuable. The one suggestion I made to PJ when I first watched this recording is that he mentioned Leona as being one of the names, and there being a comment that they needed to proper case that name. And my feedback was just that I think you could do that with Zapier. So Zapier has a formatter step, and within the formatter, there are some options, and one of them is text formatting. So as a step in this Zapier recipe, you could actually proper case all of the names that come through if that was an addition that was important or a common enough problem that you wanted to dedicate some time and Zapier tasks toward solving. So I would love to hear from you if you found this valuable, if it's something that you will adopt for your own business, or if you have suggestions for how PJ could fine tune it even further. Thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to share with anyone who you think might find this valuable. Take care.